giving a presentation and providing feedback on flexible furniture. All this term, classes have been asked to provide practical feedback. To collect all the data from students, we have conducted a survey on Google Forms.
I like to draw, and when the desk's the right height, your arm is properly angled for the drawing, and it's more like precise.
Overwhelmingly, nearly 70% of students get flexible furniture 5-star rating, with further 26% getting a very high 4-star.
I have a back injury and I can't really look down when I'm doing my work, so I find it helpful that I can lean forwards on the chair to do my work.
Overall, the students really like the flexible furniture. They tell they must be more focused, less fidgety, and sometimes even take work sitting.
So with the old chairs, I used to always want to fidget around because I would hurt my back. But with these now, since I can just lean back, it doesn't hurt, and also you can move around to find space so you can work hard and no distractions.
So this graph is to show how much people like the flexible furniture, meaning 5 is amazing and 1 is terrible. No one chose 0 because most people like it, and 42 people chose 5 and that's 68% of people because they really like the furniture, and 16 people chose 4, and that's 26% of people.
If I'm comfortable when I'm doing my learning, then it makes it easier and I don't have to spend time wriggling around to try and find the right spot. And the backs are really comfortable too, so you can lean back and kind of relax so then when you're doing your work it feels better and you work harder.
Because they actually lean, I think, a little bit more than other chairs.
A lot of people said positive answers of how the furniture helped with your learning. But I think 4 people said that they don't quite enjoy it as much as everyone else because they enjoy set seating. Most of the people, they like to sit at the jelly bean table and the tour table because it has the whiteboard, it has the text and whiteboard facilities, and also it helps us get less rubbish because we won't have to use that much paper for our working out.
For the snake table, I usually like doing my writing.
Okay.
I just don't know why, because I can lean back and I can concentrate and relax and doing my writing, and it can make it really neat.
Today, me and Jade are going to be doing the positives about the flexible furniture. Most people like the flexible furniture because they could enjoy their own freedom and sit wherever they want.
I like sitting with a group of people because last year we had to sit in rows and we had only 2 people on a desk in this room. I like working together.
For example, someone says you can sit wherever you want, and if you don't like something or it's too noisy, you can move.
I like doing writing on the flower table because it's good to contribute ideas with your friends, but also it's not very tight like some of the other tables are.
So we were asked to do the negatives about the flexible furniture. 14 people said that there is nothing negative about the flexible furniture. 14 people said there's a lot of noise coming from the flexible furniture. I think that's because people are sitting next to their friends and they're having to speak to.
Last year I would learn less because I'd be looking for a good spot, so I would be focusing less on the teacher. But now it's immediately good, so I'm always focusing on the teacher, so I get that's more smarter.
We really like the furniture and we want to try different spots all the time.
Last year you had to sit in a massive group of people, but when you move to the quiet table you have no distractions and people talking, so you can just get lots of your work done.
I think that's enough. Thank you so much.